What's up, everybody? Ripping a box. 15-16 Immaculate Basketball for Felix R. Good luck, Felix. Let's see what you got, buddy. Right out of a fresh case. Here we go. Best of luck, my man. Let's get something big for Felix. All right, Gordon Hayward base to 99. Jersey card, 1 of 99, Anthony Davis. Prime acetate patch. Looks like a Blazers patch. A little bit of 4-color. 3 of 5, Nick Batum. 4-color patch to 5. Gave you a Blazer patch. All card, Shadow Box Auto. Number to 99, Calvin Murphy. A little old school. Redemption. Shadow Box Autograph, Nikola Jokic. That's a rookie auto there. Nikola Jokic, rookie auto Shadow Box. And your last hit's a good one. All card rookie auto to 99, Justice Winslow. Nice Winslow hit there. That's a box saver. Justice Winslow auto to 99. On card. Nice rookie hit there. There you go, Felix. Thanks, man. Get that right out to you, buddy. Appreciate it.